When you find a home that you love, one of the first things you may notice online is the Zestimate from Zillow. But what happens when the Zestimate says 275,000 and the seller's asking for 300,000? Is the home overpriced or is Zillow missing something? Before you can make that judgment, you need to understand what a Zestimate is and what it's not. A Zestimate is Zillow's computer-generated estimate of a property's value. Zillow uses information such as recent home sales, public tax records, square footage, number of bedrooms and bathrooms, location, market trends, and information from active real estate listings. That sounds like a lot of information, and it is, but Zillow's computer has one important limitation. It has not walked through the home. It may not fully recognize that one home has a new roof, an updated kitchen, and a well-maintained interior, while another nearby home needs major repairs, and it may also have trouble accounting for mountain views, road noise, an unusual floor plan, extra acreage, outbuildings, or differences between one neighborhood and another. These details can make a big difference, especially in Northeast Tennessee, where two homes that appear similar on paper may be very different. According to Zillow, it has an error rate of around 7%. Now, that may not sound serious, but on a $300,000 home, that equals about $21,000. And remember, median error rate does not mean every Zillow estimate will fall within that range. Some will be much closer, and others may be much further off. It also helps to understand the difference between three common valuation tools. A Zestimate is an automated estimate generated by Zillow. A comparative market analysis, or CMA, is prepared by a real estate agent. The agent studies recent comparable sales, current competition, property condition, location, improvements, and local market activity. An appraisal is completed by a licensed appraiser. Lenders commonly require one of those before approving a mortgage because the home serves as the collateral for the loan. This estimate can be a useful starting point, but it's not a CMA and it's not an appraisal. If you are interested in a home, do not assume it is overpriced simply because the asking price is higher than his estimate. At the same time, do not assume the asking price is fair just because it is close to Zillow's number. Before helping you prepare an offer, we examine recent comparable sales and current market conditions. We also consider the home's condition, features, location, and how long it's been on the market. Our goal is not to find a number that simply supports the asking price. Our goal is to help you understand what the available evidence says that a home may be worth. That information can help you decide whether the asking price appears reasonable, how much you may want to offer, whether competing offers are likely, how much an appraisal risk may be involved, and when it may be better to walk away. Zillow can be helpful, but a Zestimate can only provide a quick general reference point. Just remember, that is an algorithm's estimate, not a guarantee of value. When you're making a decision involving hundreds of thousands of dollars, use the Zestimate as one piece of information, not the final answer. At Home with Ed and Karin, we combine current market data, local knowledge, professional training, and a closer look at the individual property to help you make a confident and informed decision. Because the right question is not, what does Zillow say? The right question is, what does the evidence show that this home is worth?